Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I got my very first unboxing for March and it is Lookfantastic. We got a special design box this month, which is gorgeous. So as always, if you're new to Lookfantastic, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in the March box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. The reason you're seeing this a little bit earlier than usual is because this is a PR box. I am on Lookfantastic's PR list and they kindly send me their boxes for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. I also have my own subscription running. I've been a subscriber to Lookfantastic for over 3 years now, so I take out a 12-month subscription and that reduces the cost down a bit, and I put those boxes up for giveaways on my Facebook page and Instagram page, and I've got a couple of giveaways running at the moment, so you'll find details if you want to enter those down in my description. Cost of the box is £15 if you take out a monthly rolling subscription, and then as I just said, if you take out a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription, the cost gets reduced. So for my 12 months personal subscription, instead of paying £15 a month, I pay £13 a month, so I save £2 a month, which I think is really good. Inside you'll receive 6 beauty products and they range from skincare, hair care, makeup, and we've had some beauty tools as well. And because I've been a long-term subscriber to this subscription box, I would say it lays more on the skincare heavy side. So if that is your thing, then I definitely recommend you checking this box out. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If you're interested in taking this box out for yourself, I do have a code which will entitle you to receive your first box at a discounted cost, so I'll pop that down in my description, and all links and everything related to this subscription. And also they've got the most amazing Mother's Day beauty box out at the moment, and it's not sold out. It's only been up a couple of days, but these boxes tend to sell out super quick, so if you haven't seen it yet, then you will find a link down in the description as well. Underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside. So it says on the front here, Beauty Beyond Boundaries. So inside the box you get a little booklet, and in here details everything about the products inside the box, so I'm able to refer to it as we go along. Does it have... No, they've stopped putting the prices in the boxes, which I've said in a couple of videos ago, which is fair enough. We love, being a subscriber myself, I love knowing what the prices are of the products. It's like, you know, especially if we're paying £15, or in my case I pay £13 for my own private box, but paying £13 for a box and then having a box that has a value of say £60, £70 or more, it makes you think, yes, I'm getting a bargain here. But I can see why they've stopped doing it. Taking the prices out of products, it just brings the emphasis back onto the products themselves. So yeah, and more subscription boxes are doing that. So yeah, it's alright. I am a nosy Parker, so I would love to know, but doesn't matter. So before I read you the theme for the month, I'll let you know what's coming up in the April box. We've got an Avant product, and this is worth £92. This is an Avant Pink Orchid Subtle Restoring Overnight Serum. I'm not sure if I've had that before. We've had quite a lot of products from Avant inside subscription boxes. I don't think I've tried that one before. I'm not too sure. I've tried a few like overnight creams and things, but overnight serum pink, no, I don't think I have anyway, so that could be something new then. Alright, so on to the theme before I show you what's inside the box. The 8th of March marks the 110th International Women's Day, a day centred for the fight for women's rights. It seemed only fitting that this month's box will be all about female empowerment. This year's IWD theme is Choose to Challenge, because from challenge comes change. Absolutely, and we're all in this together, from Amelia. I like that message. I do really like that. Okay then, so I'll be referring to this as we go along. Let's give you a sneak peek first. There. You might not be able to see everything. Right then. There's one variation in this box, and I'll do that first, and it's a First Aid beauty product. So I've got in this box Facial Radiance Pads. This is to help exfoliate, tone and brighten, alcohol-free, safe for sensitive skins, and there's 10 pads in here. Suitable for daily use, they work to reduce the look of pores and fine lines whilst brightening and soothing the skin. Safe to use on even the most sensitive of skin types. It contains lactic acid, glycolic acid, cucumber, lemon peel and licorice root. So you'll either receive a little pack of 10 pads, or you'll receive a coconut water cream. So you'll see a picture there. which contains coconut water and sodium hyaluronate. I can't say it. Sodium hyaluronate. Said it after the 10th time. It is a lightweight, fast absorbing facial moisturizer that will infuse your skin with electrolytes, amino acids and phytonutrients to refresh your complexion and restore its radiant glow. This rejuvenating cream will also deliver long lasting hydration whilst plumping out your skin for a more youthful complexion. Next we got a product by Ahava, and this is a Dead Sea Mud mineral mud soap. Oh, I haven't tried this before. This is a mud soap for body, removes all impurities and refreshes the skin, and it lather and then rinse. Right then, let's have a look at you. Look at that little soap. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, it smells really nice. I got a thing for soaps, especially soaps in really cute paper packaging. I can't open them. I just keep them. This is fine, this is fine. I'll use this one. It just goes into telling you what I read off the back there. It contains Dead Sea Mud. It just says work into a luxurious lather and massage over face and body and rinse thoroughly. So we got a soap. Next we got our sneak peek from last month, and this is for your hair. This is by Christoph Robin, and this is a regenerating mask with rare prickly pear seed oil. And we've got 50 grams here. Just open up and show you. Oh, I'll have a sniff first, obviously. Oh. I have had this before, but I can't remember using it. It says apply a small amount after shampooing, massage from scalp to ends, add water, emulsify and leave on to 2 to 3 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly. Hair feels sumptuous, smooth and protected. Perfect for dry and damaged hair, full of antioxidants and regenerative properties that penetrate your hair and scalp, protecting your hair from split ends and breakage, as well as treating coloured hair by restoring pigment to leave it looking vibrant and healthy. And it contains rare prickly pear seed oil and inula flower extract, and then it just goes into telling you how to use it. So you've got a hair mask. Next we've got, I can't even read the writing for some reason. My dyslexic brain, I have got dyslexia, has just gone completely blank and I can't work out what that says. Is it Blossom and Blossom? I have had products from this brand before. What is it? What's it say? Blossom and Blossom? I just had a look in the booklet thinking, right, does it say there actually in print? But it doesn't. Bloom, Bloom, Bloom Blossom, Bloom Blossom. Oh, this is a Wonder Worker multitasking balm, and there's 15 mils here. Just give you a proper look there. Apply with clean fingers to skin that needs extra attention. Literally a tiny, tiny bit there. Hold on. Just on my knuckles. I thought it might be like a Dr. Paw balm type thing, but no, it's not. It feels similar. It does feel similar, but it's more creamy. No, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. It contains castor seed oil, lavender oil, olive fruit oil, vitamin E and shea butter. A versatile skin-loving wonder balm filled with a blend of nourishing ingredients to condition and hydrate your skin. Whether you're suffering from chapped lips, dry hands or have a little one in need of extra soothing, this natural balm can help. Rich in anti-inflammatory properties to protect, condition and treat even the most delicate of skins. So you've got a Wonder Balm for your skin. Next, we've got a product by Bipolar, and this is a ice source moisturizing cream with iceberg water, and there's 20 mils here. Now again, this is quite a familiar brand for subscription boxes and Lookfantastic as well, but I don't think I've tried this one. They do a really gorgeous night cream. I really like that. So I'll read a little bit more about it now to see what this one is like. If you followed any of my other videos, you might already know, but I currently take out a skincare subscription and I have tretinoin in it, so I pay monthly and it gets sent to me and I use it. So I'm building up the tretinoin month by month. With every new batch, it does leave my skin feeling quite dry just for the first few days, but oh, that is so nice. You can't see anything, I've just blended it all into my hand. So that is really nice. So I'm always looking out for a really gorgeous rich and creamy moisturizer that I can use like about 10-15 minutes after I applied. Anyway, I am talking too much. It contains iceberg water, hyaluronic acid, Thalassiothera antarctica, a cooling treatment that will leave your skin feeling hydrated and refreshed, combining 3 active ingredients. This face mask nourishes your complexion by warding off dryness and dehydration. And we've got an extra product this month. So normally we get 6 products, but I've got 2 left. So there's 7 this month. Next we got is this a liquid or a pencil? I'm not too sure. It's by Lottie London and this is an AM to PM. I'll open this up. I think it's a liquid eyeliner. So it looks like there. No. Ooh, it's a pencil. Yeah, no, that's nice actually. That is really, really nice. Ooh, it's really smooth. Oh, perfect for like smudging. It's not too super soft because when they're too super soft, I just make a big mess all over my eyes. But no, that is nice. That is really nice. I do like that. I haven't tried that before from this brand. It says a pencil eyeliner with a gel finish to add drama and definition to your eye makeup look with a formula that will glide effortlessly over the eyes, avoiding any pull or discomfort. Complete with a retractable sharpener to keep the liner in tip-top condition. So we've got a eye pencil and then we've got a brush. We've got a brush to use it, I'm thinking. I don't know. Double-ended, it's a brow brush, so no, not to use with the eye pencil. You could do. I'll have a look at it now. And this is by Brushworks. So we've got a nice brush on one end to brush through, and then on the other we've got a little one. I use them all the time to brush through my eyebrows. So a dual-ended eyebrow brush to help you achieve a perfect brow with every use. The angled brush works well with both cream and powder products to help you create natural brushstroke hairs, whilst the spoolie end is great to brush through any product and create a fluffy, more feathered brow look. So those are all the products, so I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll be back in a minute. So these are all the products inside Lookfantastic's March beauty box. We've got a face cream, we've got a multi-purpose balm, we've got some facial radiance pads, we've got a face and body soap, we've got a hair mask which has just gone, sorry, I'm dropping them everywhere. We've got a hair mask and we've got an eyebrow brush there. Can you butterfingers? So 7 products in all. We normally get 6, so we've got an added extra this month. I think for the price, I think there's some lovely products in there. There are some products I have never tried before, which is always a bonus, especially as I'm a subscription box addict. To be completely honest with you, even though I do think this box is a lovely box this month, there's some really lovely products in there, I do think that they're very small. What's the saying when it comes to food? Eyes bigger than your belly? Is a similar sort of saying? Quality over quantity? Anyway, what I'm trying to get at is that, like, for me personally, I can't speak for you, you may well feel the same way or you might not, but for me, when I see a subscription box, if I see a load of small sample size products, it doesn't excite me as much as seeing bigger products. And the bigger products could literally be, say, £5, you know, it could be a product from The Ordinary, for instance, you know, like a hyaluronic acid or something like that, which is what, £6, but it's full size. But it just seems like there's a lot of small things in there. But I feel like I'm being a bit picky. I do feel like I'm being a bit picky because we've got 7 products this month instead of 6. But yeah, what are your thoughts? What do you think? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. Or are you watching this for the first time, wondering if this is a subscription for you or not? Please comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think of it. So yeah, so thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.